Got up here about 2 hours ago and I've been pulling game camera footage and siliconing around windows and getting the fire going to warm it up in here. But the plan today, or maybe for the next 2 hours, hour and a half, is to insulate these walls and put up vapor barrier on them. Maybe even carry it all the way over to here. And the one by the door, at least to get the insulation in. I'd like to carry it on, but I've got a lot of stuff to move in order to get to those walls, so that'll be tomorrow. But I gotta do what I can do now, because I'm gonna stay up at the alternate location tonight. Okay, insulation on everything except the last one because it's not 16 inches wide, and then over here through the first one. And I got the one by the door done also. Next is vapor barrier. Look at that. I was just trying to test I've got the wire all janky, but I just wanted to test the new fan to see if it works. Yeah, and it works. Cool. Man, it moves a lot of air. Oh, this is wonderful. Wonderful news. What I'll have to do is wire it over here onto a switch. But hey, I'm very happy. Seeing as how it's still pouring down rain, I don't think I will proper install it today. Next trip probably, but I just wanted to see how it works, and my goodness, that thing is moving. 28-inch, 12-volt DC fan. Sweet. Got it running off that battery over there. Way cool.